bit smaller swing, tick. Just give the grass a little haircut. Just a little chip shot. Do this on the nice line. Try and trim the grass. Alright, 2 more, yeah? There we go. What about this trick, Joel? See this one? Ready? Ready? Watch this. Nothing! Try it again. Yeah? See if I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
See if you can do that trick shot one day.
She will one day. Nearly.
Try.
again.
Look. Look at the hole.
Donald Duck, Daisy
Donald
Duck.
Duck.
Good. Perfect. Shall we pick them up? Oh, no need to run.